Disclaimer, this video is just for entertainment purposes. I have no intentions to hurt the sentiments or mock any sort of rules and regulations of traffic safety. We must all follow all traffic safety rules. So this is a light-hearted video, and if it offends any traffic cop, please send the talam at my home. Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back to another Sunday. Now, as you all guys know, it's no secret that I'm a bad rider provider. If you watched my previous vlog, so in my vlog where I was riding, I forgot to wear a helmet because I was like in my inside lane, and I would like to apologize because I don't promote such behaviors. So that's why I made this video. Okay, let's be honest here. Not because honesty is the best policy, because you and I, we both know what the safety traffic rules are, but we are still shameless, right? Why? Because we still do not obey or follow them properly. Some of us won't wear a helmet, some of us forget our license, some of us don't want to carry the documents, some of them don't even have all this, and some legends forget. So safety is the priority, right? But I still envy those people who look so good with helmets, and then there is me. Okay, I look worse than Babu Rao. At this point, it's not even about looking good in a helmet. It's about finding a helmet that fits my small head. Because let's be real, the chances of me meeting with an accident with this helmet are clearly more than not wearing a helmet. Like, who are we kidding? Have you seen people who wear the helmet like this, and when they see a cop, they will just go like this? What's the point? I'm saying follow the rules. Even if you see the cops going tripsy without wearing helmet. Yeah, the triple seat, I call it tripsy, some people call it tripla. Okay, let me know what do you call it in your slang, you know, the three-seating thing. And please don't tell me threesome, okay? This is a family-friendly channel. Alright, so in this video, we are going to see what some people do to avoid cops. And in the end, I'm also going to tell you what I did when I got caught. So without any much blabbering, let's just get started. You come here, Chirput. Where is your helmet, huh? Sir, sorry, sir. I committed no crime, sir. Please, I'm a small boy. Just gone tuition. I don't want to go jail, sir. Sir, please, sir, don't call my parents, sir. Sir, I will wear helmet in happiness and sadness in the ocean and the lose motion till death do us apart, sir. Please, I will marry the helmet, sir. Please don't call my parents, sir. I am a good child. I got A grade in all subject except math. But I know 13 times tables also, sir. I can. Hey, just pay the 100 rupees fine and leave. 13 times table, it seems. Wear helmet next time, sir. 100 rupees only, so cheap, sir. Okay, sir. I give you. Oh, hero, where is your helmet? Huh? Show me your license. Do you know who my uncle is? Oh, come on. Do you really want me to call your boss? Oh, my boss. You know what? Call any boss. Call Shivaji the boss also. I don't care. See, I don't even live in this country. Alright? By the way, I know all the people from your department. Don't mess with me. I know you're a good cop and all, but just let me go, man. Why are you wasting time? Sir, see, respectfully, I'm telling you, let me go. Otherwise, I'll call them. Then you will be in trouble. Okay, so then I'll have to make a call. This country and the range. Listen, call whoever you want. I don't care. If you're not getting network, take my phone. Keep your bike and your attitude aside and come here. What happened? Why you stop me? वजह एक ती auntie होईता म्हणून ते पिशान काढपा सोदता होई. Auntie, first of all, you don't have a helmet. Okay. Secondly, you're not wearing a mask also. I don't know what Khatro Ka Khiladi you are in. Show me your license also, please. I need to check. I am like your mother and you're asking me license? Nonsense, huh? What is pe Deepakona Valya? Where are you? Where is your mummy? Where is your mummy? I complain, huh? This is how you respect the elders? Auntie, I'm a traffic police. There is nothing about respect. The only thing you should respect is the traffic rules. Auntie, you're not wearing helmet, okay? 1,000 rupees fine. Your driver's license has expired a decade ago. 2,000 rupees fine. You don't even have your bike paper. So total you have a fine of 6,500. अरे बाबा I'm फोकाणा मध्ये 6,500 too much रे बाबा माशे किती कमी कर रे 200 रुपया दिता 200 रुपये take this 200 rupees हा फेरिया गीते गे रे हा God bless you हा bye अरे लायसन्स दाखव Oh shit, Marathi. It's okay, I'll try. एक्सपायर्ड झालं. कसं काय साहेब, माझा फेवरेट मूवी सिंगम. सिंगम, तुम्ही डिट्टो सिंगम दिसते. सिंगम सेम सेम डिट्टो. भाऊ सिंगम, तुझं भाव आहे साहेब. मी पण महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे, मला पण मराठी येते, तुला पण मराठी येते. मराठी माणूस देव माणूस सर. मग तुम्ही देवाला चलान ओ फाईन नाही देऊ शकत ना सर. साहेब थांबा ना. माझा फेवरेट सॉन्ग, वर धागाला लागली कड आणि थिम थिम गड, तर थिम थिम करून माझी चूक जाऊ द्या ना सर. सर सध्या गावाला झाली मजा लग्नाची घाई, तर मला झिंग करून जाऊ द्या ना सर. ए आला मोठा शाणा, फाईन भर तिकडे, जास्ती बोलू नकोस हं, नंतर लॉकअप मध्ये झिंगाट करायला पडशील. साहेब कशाला इतकी मोठी फाईन देतोस मला तू.
अरे शिंदे जाल किती.
अरे साहेब ते मध्ये सर, गोयंकार मध्ये आणि गोयंकाराको इथं फाईन दिताय तुम्ही हा. केस जातोले. Hello, please stop. Yeah, where's your helmet? I asked you a question. Why are you not wearing your helmet? Sir, what happened? You know, last time I met with a major accident. That time I broke my helmet, sir. And now I don't have enough money to buy a new helmet. I'm really poor, sir. Not even middle class poor. I'm poor class poor, sir. Where do you work? Sir, I have no job. I'm searching for a job since a year, sir. If you have any job, please let me know. I really need a job so that I can also buy a helmet, sir. Okay. And so, where is your dad, huh? Where does he work? Sir, my dad is in heaven, sir. Okay, no problem. This time I'm letting you go. Next time, please wear a helmet, okay? You know how strangers tell you by flashing their lights that there are cops ahead? What unity, man. How some people stop their bikes and take it by hand just because they see cops ahead. And you know those masterminds who wait for a truck or a big rickshaw so that they could just hide beside it and like go? That is beyond science to me. So clearly I was not aware or exposed to this kind of tricks when I got caught. So I saw the cops from far, okay, and they are also like, eta, paisha not eta. And in my head, I'm like, oh shit, I actually thought I was going to the jail. Now I'm scared AF, okay, but at the same time, I'm laughing because they don't know. I only have 50 rupees. That also my uncle had given me to go and buy samosas. Now, if I give them the 50 rupees and go home empty-handed, okay, I'm going to get mar. Now, there is no damn way they're going to let me go with 50 rupees, okay? Let's be real. If I were a cop, I would have at least asked from me 5,000 rupees. So it was like a aage kuwa piche mere khai kind of a situation. And then I decided, you know what, let me just leave my bike here. It was nearby only, right? I just gone to bring samosas and this cops caught me. So I left the bike, I went walking, got the samosas, went back home, gave the samosas, and now everybody is eating samosa. Even I am eating the samosas. Now I am waiting till the last samosa gets over. Now done, samosas are over, everybody is happy. Now is the time I break the news and tell them I have done this can't. I cried at home and I told them what happened to me. Then I got some real samosas and my uncle took care of it. Now what's the moral of the story here? Always wait till the last samosa to get over so that you can break the news. I'm just kidding, okay? The whole point of the video was we should definitely take traffic rules seriously. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you did, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know your favorite part or something that you related to. Share this video with all your friends, especially on your Instagram stories. And if you like my videos and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go help me grow. Hit the subscribe button and along with that, hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. Follow the traffic rules and stay safe. Until then, Mog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.